Uh, Welcome back. Myself, Professor Jay Tandel, working as an assistant professor at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today, at lecture number 6 of Power System 2 from the chapter number 6. The contents are the introductions, single line to ground fault, line to line ground faults, and double line to ground faults. So in a previous lecture number 5 we discussed about some symmetrical fault, unsymmetrical fault, how it will be occurs, types of that, and all these things. Now today we are going to learn about how this what are the positive sequence voltage current uh, of the R at the different loading condition. For example, single line to line, double line to ground, right? So first of all, introductions. So in the line to line fault, for example, I am considering one figure. We know that we have a three-phase supply, so only one options to connect them to three-phase star to star connection or star delta connection, right? So star and delta there is options for us. So I am considering a one winding, one supply, right, which having a three phases IR, R phase, Y phase, and B phase, and here are the neutrals. So from the R phase we can say the voltage appear across, that is ER. In the Y phase it is EY, and in the B phase it is BBB, which is outside of the phases, right? And for defining the line to line ground fault, line to line fault, sorry, I am consider as a R, Y and A phase, Y and B phase are the faulty phase. So but obvious, when the fault is occurs, what will happen? The remaining phase is current is 0. So IB exactly IR is equal to 0, and voltage which is appear, which is exactly on V1 and V2, positive sequence and negative sequence are the same, because 0 sequence are absence. So in the condition of that, the consider the line to line ground fault between the point B and Y line, which is I already shown here. The conditions created by this fault is equal to, under the fault condition we know that Vy voltage across this thing both are same, Vy and V is are equals. So I can write a Vy is equal to Vb, where the current from the phase R, which is 0, and ultimately Iy and Ib addition of that, which is equal to 0. So again, the R phases as a considered as a reference phases. So the equations of the I0 vector is equal to 1 by 3, and addition of all this vector IR plus Iy plus Ib is equal to 0. It's equation. So fault on y and b axis, so we can write Vy is equal to Vb. So now the expression in terms of the sequential component of the line, which is likewise V0 0 sequence plus a square into V1 plus a into V2, right? Second is equal to a negative sequence is equal to positive sequence. V0 is equal to a into V1 plus a square into V2. So these are the difference between negative and positive sequence current. So now we know that V0 is equal to 0. So only remaining term is a square into V1. So I am consider V1 over here from right hand side to left hand side. So it is a square V1 minus a V1. So we can say V1 a square minus a. Similarly that V2 is on right hand side from left to right. So V2 is equal to a square minus a. So we can say in this condition V1 is equal to V2, right? Second case of current. So voltage, we are clear that voltage in the phase of line to line is phase voltage are equal, right? And the current which is flow from the healthy phase are 0. Now whatever the current, all the system current which is fall from here, right? Iy plus Ib, y and b are the faulty phase. So current of the both same are equal, or not equal, which is equal to 0. So I can write Iy plus Ib is equal to 0. If we are consider this equation for voltage, then we are consider this equation for current. Iy negative I0 plus a square I1 plus a into I2. Similar that for Ib, I0 plus a into I1 plus a square into I2 equals to 0. So we are I0 is 0, a square plus a is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 I0. So 2 I0 that will be 0. So we can say only the I1 plus I2 is equal to 0 are remain, because we know that I0 is equal to 0. So these are the condition for line to line got. Voltage are V1 plus V2, V1 is equal to V2, and the current are Iy, faulted current are R equal to 0. Simple. For example, we can consider this thing with the some equivalent circuit. You can see over here, this is a V1 and the voltage of that is ER, and consider impedance Z1, current which is flow from that which is I1, which is on outside of the of this Z1, right? Similar that Z2 and voltage across that is V2, current which is flow from that which is I2, which is exactly opposite than I1, because I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. So I1 may be positive, I2 may be negative, so some additions of that will be 0. So the expression 1 and 2, these are the expression. This is the expression 1, V1 and V1 is equal to V2, and expression 2 is the I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. So we can say expression 1 and 2, which is reveal that the sequential impedance should be connected, and it will be clear. So if we are consider the voltage equation of that, then we can write V1 is equal to ER plus Z1 plus Z2 into I1. If consider I1 as a reference, then what will happen? ER divided by, or we can say ER divided by Z1 plus Z2, or this thing is equal to I1 is equal to minus of I2. So I1 is equal to minus of I2 is equal to, we can write this equation. This equation simply put over here, right? So I just write that Iy is equal to I0 plus a square into I1 plus a into I2. So 0 plus a square, what is I1? ER divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus a. I2 means minus of ER divided by Z1 plus Z2. So a square minus of a, which is on a common called, we can say Ez divided by Z1 plus Z2 common. So we can write this is a final equation, right? Or in case of three phase, we can write minus of j root 3 ER divided by Z1 plus Z2 is equal to minus of IB. So this is regarding to what? Phase current, fault current, sorry. Now what is about the phase voltage? So the same thing, whatever we are getting the equation of I, which is placed over here, voltage equation, right? Because we all having a equations of current, right? So if we consider our equation, here is V1 is equal to ER minus I1 into Z1. V1 is equal to ER minus, we are simply apply the KVL, right? ER, I am placing I1 value over here, ER divided by Z1 plus Z2 into Z1, right? That is a value of current over here, which we are getting over here, right? This value. Okay, so V1 is equal to Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2 into ER. V2 is equal to 0 minus why 0? Why 0? Because in this situation V2 doesn't having any source, V1 having a source, that's why we are adding a ER. There is no source means ER minus, so 0 minus I2 into Z2. Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2 is equal to ER. So V0 is equal to 0 minus I0 Z0 equals to 0. So the phase voltage, total phase voltage means VR is equal to V0 plus V1 plus V2. V0, that is 0 due to the fault. V1 is equal to like Z1 divided by Z1 plus Z2 into VR plus V2. V2 is equal to what? This thing, Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2 into VR. So resultant VR is equal to 2 Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2 into ER, right? Likewise, we put the value of V1 We are getting V1 now. Over here we have a V1 value, we have a V2 value. So that V1 and V2 we put over here in equation 1 above. So what will happen? If we are put the V1 value was here Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2 into ER, and V2 is equal to Z1 divided by Z1 plus Z2, right? If we put this value, then we are getting such type of equations, right? So this is a resultant voltage Vy is equal to minus of Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2 into BR. Similarly, this is for the Y, this is for B, same way we are getting this. So VB we are getting minus of Z2 Z1 plus Z2 equals into E bar. So the summary, the current we are getting which is result, the R phase current is 0, another current IY plus IB is equal to 0, or we can say IY is equal to minus. So both current are opposite. Voltage we are talking about, EY is equal to EB, V by Vy is equal to VB. Both phase voltage are same, but the equations are minus of the VB is equal to minus of Z2 Z1 plus Z2 into ER. So this is the regarding to the single line to line fault. Now double line to ground fault. We have a double line, and I am putting only above equation, above cases I am putting ground over here, nothing else. Same way, Vy is equal to Vb under the fault condition are 0. V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V0 is equal to 1 by 3 into Vr. And similarly, IR is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I0 is equal to 0, but I0 0, so I1 plus I2 only. The circuit is little bit is changed. Two parallel with V1 and V2 are added. V2 and V3 are added. So if we are doing a parallel this, then Z1 plus Z1 into Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2. That is the resultant of that. So we can say I1 is equal to ER divided by Z1 plus parallel of this. Parallel over here Z2 minus Z2 into Z0, Z2 into Z0 divided by Z2 plus Z0. I2 is equal to minus of I1 into Z0 divided by Z1 plus Z2, right? So resultant of IY is equal to IY plus IB. So we can say 3 into I0. So I0 is what? Over here minus of I1 Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z0. So if we are try to solve it, then we are getting some final equation likewise. 3 times Z2 ER into Z1 Z2 Z0 Z1 plus Z0 Z2 plus Z1 Z2. Phase voltage, we know that VR is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to 3V3, A square V1 plus A V2 plus A. We know that we are getting a V1 value, but here V1 is equal to V2 is equal to V0. So VB is equal to A into V1 plus A square into V2 plus A0 is equal to A plus A square plus 1 whole square. Thank you.